If Grammarly is popping up in Microsoft Word and you want to turn it off, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to disable Grammarly on Word using the settings inside your document. Whether you want to pause it for an hour, turn it off in Word completely, or shut it down across your whole computer. This is a quick and easy fix if Grammarly is distracting you while you write, editing is getting in the way, or you simply want to work without suggestions showing up. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Microsoft Word document where you want to manage Grammarly. Once your file is open, look around the screen for the floating Grammarly widget, usually shown as a green or white G icon. Depending on your setup, it may appear near the right side of the document or somewhere on the page. When you find it, you'll want to access the Grammarly menu. You can usually do that by right-clicking the widget or clicking the small settings gear icon near it. This opens the Grammarly options panel, where you can control how Grammarly behaves in Word. Now you'll see a few different choices depending on what you want to do. If you want to disable Grammarly inside Microsoft Word permanently, choose Turn Off Suggestions in Microsoft Word. This is the best option if you don't want Grammarly active in Word at all, but you still want to use it in other places. If you only want a short break, select Turn Off Suggestions in Microsoft Word for 1 hour. That's a great temporary option if you're drafting something and don't want any interruptions while you write. After you click your preferred option, Grammarly will stop showing suggestions in Word based on the setting you selected. If you chose the 1 hour option, it will come back later automatically. If you turned it off for Microsoft Word entirely, it should stay disabled there until you turn it back on again. There is also one more option you should know about. If you want to shut Grammarly down completely on your computer, click Quit Grammarly. This turns off the tool across all applications, not just Word. That's useful if you want a full stop and don't need Grammarly running in the background at all. Once you've done that, you can continue working in Word without Grammarly suggestions appearing on screen. And if you ever want it back, you can always reopen Grammarly or re-enable it from the same menu. So that's how to disable Grammarly on Word in just a few clicks. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.